Welcome back to the channel again. Well, me and little man are out here in the Great Smoky Mountains today. We took a little trip, along with the wife who's back in the car, but we were on the Roaring Forks Motor Nature Trail. Took a little trip to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge for a few days this week. And this is our last full day before we go back home tomorrow. So we decided while we're in Gatlinburg, we'll check out the nature trail again. I don't know that we've ever been here like in full-on summer, but we stopped at a little place here. There's a cabin right there, taking some good still pictures. Let's see what else they got here. There's a couple other little buildings. Let's check those out. So that's where you come in. You can kind of see the road back there. Here are the two other buildings. So that would have been your house. And you can probably hear it in the distance. Beautiful, beautiful stream. So you've got a good supply of water. Keep your vegetables and whatnot in here. Maybe, I don't know what this would be. Maybe chickens. And up here you got something else. And if you've ever wondered where the song Rocky Top came from, well, it was written in Gatlinburg, but this is where the name really came from. Rocks everywhere. So this looks like some more food storage, crops, whatnot. More rocks. One thing that's always amazed me, and I thought was really cool, all these creeks in the mountains, when you get near them, it's like it can be 95 degrees out. Get near the creek, it's like natural air conditioning. It's great stuff. So in case you're curious, this is stop number 10 on the Roaring Forks Motor Nature Trail. Check it out. We kind of like this trail better than Cades Cove almost. Definitely less crowded. This is another thing we like about this better than Cades Cove. Everywhere you go pretty much along this trail, you roll the windows down, it's nice and cool, shaded. You can hear water everywhere, all around you. This is a must stop. So the main cabin up there is pretty neat, but this is also, this right back here is where I really think about every time I think about the air conditioning that these streams and creeks provide. The last time we were back here, it really was a 95-degree day. We came back here, instantly cooler. And it's just a few hundred feet behind the cabin with this other building here. And then you take this little trail right here. And all of the woods also shade and keep you cool. Also watch for snakes. They like to cool off back here too. This right here. If you're a photographer and you want a postcard kind of picture, right back here, check it out. It's kind of a branch in the way right now, but this is what I'm talking about right here. I would have no problem at all setting up a chair, hanging out here all day. Nice and cool, sound of the water. What more could you want? Word to the wise though, if you do come back here, be safe getting back up. And like I said, watch for snakes. This is another reason this is probably my favorite spot to stop here. got this really cool rock wall. I have no idea how long it's been here, but I would say the original owners of this cabin built it. It would be a hard scrabble life out here for sure, but in many ways, this would be paradise. Another Tennessee Matt helpful tip, besides checking it out, another great reason to stop at all these places, let your brakes cool down. The last half of this is all downhill, waterfall, so your brakes can get hot. We have found another great pull off over here. It's not numbered, but there was 3 parking spaces. Nice little creek, so we figured why not. And when you get to the end of Roaring Forks Motor Nature Trail, there's a little general store down here. And they've got a whole bee colony. Not just a couple beehives, that's a whole colony, I would say. This is called Eli's Mill. We've stopped here a few times. I don't think they're open right now. Nope, they are closed. So that's the end of the Roaring Forks Motor Nature Trail. It's literally seconds from Gatlinburg. You can be on the strip and then 5 minutes later in absolute solitude and peace. So I highly recommend it. We're going to try to get back and do another full video of all the stops on this one day. But in the meantime, stay tuned and thanks for watching.